Did you know there are a dozen free things seniors can ask for on a flight? Many airlines offer special benefits just for older travelers, but most people don't realize these perks are available. From priority boarding to complimentary snacks and drinks, there are hidden advantages waiting for you every time you fly. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your first trip in years, knowing what to ask for can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Traveling as a senior comes with a host of complimentary perks, many of which are unknown to most passengers. These can include free assistance at check-in, help with your luggage, and even access to airport lounges in some cases. Friendly staff are often ready to provide extra comfort, whether it's a cozy blanket, a special meal, or help finding your seat. If you want more travel tips and insider secrets, hit that subscribe button now. We're here to help you discover all the ways you can make your next flight easier, more comfortable, and even more affordable. Don't miss out on future updates and guides designed especially for senior travelers. So buckle in, grab your boarding pass, and let's explore the top 12 free perks every senior should know about before their next flight. From early boarding to special in-flight amenities, you'll be surprised at how many ways you can upgrade your travel experience without spending an extra dime. Pre-boarding assistance is a valuable perk for seniors. Just ask at the gate, and most airlines will let you board early. This gives you time to get comfortable, stow your carry-on, and settle in before the crowds. Boarding early isn't just convenient, it sets a positive, stress-free tone for your entire flight. Navigating airports can be tough, especially for seniors or anyone with limited mobility. The long walks, crowded terminals, and confusing signs can make travel feel overwhelming. But you don't have to face these challenges alone. Free wheelchair services are available for seniors at every major airport, making your journey smoother and more comfortable from the moment you arrive. You can request assistance when booking your ticket or simply ask at the check-in counter if you need help on the day of your flight. Friendly staff are always ready to support you. An attendant will escort you from check-in all the way to your gate and sometimes even help you board the plane and get settled in your seat, ensuring a stress-free experience. This service is especially helpful during busy travel times, tight connections, or when you're faced with long lines and large terminals that can be exhausting to navigate. Don't hesitate to use it. Taking advantage of these services ensures you travel with confidence, comfort, and peace of mind, so you can focus on enjoying your journey. Seniors can sometimes score extra legroom for free. Just ask the gate agent about bulkhead or exit row seats before boarding. Staff often prioritize seniors for these spots, especially if you mention health or mobility concerns. Even small requests like a seatbelt extender or extra cushion can make your flight much more comfortable. Airlines often provide complimentary headphones. Just ask a flight attendant as you settle in. If you have hearing aids or need alternative options, let the crew know. Some airlines offer over-the-ear models or adapters. Enjoy movies, music, or meditation apps in comfort, all at no extra charge. Feeling chilly? Ask for extra blankets and pillows. Flight attendants are happy to provide them for free. Don't hesitate to request more than one if you need extra support or warmth. These small comforts can make a big difference, especially on long flights. Airlines understand that every traveler has unique dietary needs, and they strive to make your journey as comfortable as possible. That's why they offer a wide range of special meals, such as low-sodium options for those watching their salt intake, and diabetic-friendly meals designed to help manage blood sugar levels. You'll also find vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and even religious meals available, all at no extra cost, provided you request them in advance when booking your ticket. To ensure you get the meal that suits your needs, simply specify your dietary preferences during the booking process online or call the airline's customer service team. Even if you forget, it's always worth asking at the airport check-in counter. Onboard flight attendants are specially trained to assist seniors with meal service. They'll make sure you receive the correct tray, help with opening packaging if needed, and provide any extra assistance to make your dining experience enjoyable and stress-free. Flight attendants are always ready to help lift your bag into the overhead bin or retrieve it at the end of your flight. Don't struggle with heavy luggage, just ask for assistance as you board or before landing. Accepting this free perk lets you focus on enjoying your journey. Many airports offer priority screening lanes for seniors. Just ask at the security checkpoint. These expedited lines mean less standing and fewer hassles. A simple question can save you time and energy at the airport. Not sure how to use the in-flight entertainment system? Flight attendants are happy to help set up your screen or fix technical issues. Just press the call button for assistance. This service is free and available on most flights. Don't let technology stand in the way of your in-flight enjoyment. Staying hydrated is important. Ask for complimentary water, juice, tea, or coffee throughout your flight. Flight attendants will gladly provide refills or extra drinks upon request. It's a simple, free perk that helps keep you comfortable and healthy. Airlines are prepared for unexpected medical issues. Every flight has a basic medical kit, and crew are trained to assist seniors. If you feel unwell or need minor first aid, let the flight attendants know right away. Your safety and well-being are always a top priority. Connecting flights can be stressful, but free assistance is available. Request help with connections when booking or upon arrival. Staff will escort you between gates, help with carry-ons, and ensure you make your next flight. Take advantage of this support to relax and enjoy your trip. I hope today's video has shown you just how many free perks seniors can enjoy while flying. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and share your own experiences in the comments below. With these perks, seniors can fly confidently, knowing comfort and support are always within reach.